You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is q equal or greater than -1. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 5 to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the q. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is q equal or greater than -1.